Hey, what is up, guys? Hope you're having a good day today. It's a good Wednesday. So, today I want to talk about how to get people into your offer. And a lot of people try to get people into the offer either by saying, hey, I got this, this, and this, or like we're going live and try to get them in, but everybody knows the that there's going to be a sale at the end. Kind of like having a webinar and everybody knows there's a sale. But the thing is when you're inviting them to your funnel or whatever your offer, you don't want to invite them to a sale. You want to invite them to a direction, a change, um, a new opportunity of growth, direction, and a lifestyle. Because you want to pinpoint their pain points. You want to pinpoint their pain points, and if you can do that and make sure you're specific on those pain points and how you can go around them or overcome them, then that's how you intrigue them, because no one's going to join if it doesn't resolve around them, or if it comes off as the same. Say if I'm trying to lose weight and I have three tips, I give you three tips, and it's drink water, don't eat that much, and move often. Who's going to be wanting to join the group? Who's going to want to join the offer? Who's going to be willing to pay for the program? Nobody, because it's the same thing. It's the everyone knows that the common sense of it, and that that's not problem solving. So what you do is, instead of saying eat, say for example, drink more water, you say the lemon secret. That'll be, instead of drinking water, it'll be the lemon secret. And for moving around, it'll be the 7 minute routine. And instead of working out more, or that'll be for the working out more, and then drinking water and eating less, it'll be eating from out of my palm, or it'd be like the palm the palm measurer, something that would be more intriguing, more unique than saying what it already is. Instead of giving them the what or what is common sense, you come off with it as a unique selling perspective. You come off and make it intriguing, and that's how you create open loops. You make it seem, you say, these are the three tips of how you lose weight: the lemon secret, the hand measurer, and the the other tip. I forgot what it was, but you say those three things and it makes them intrigued. It makes them notice that there's something in it for them, something behind the offer that can solve their problems, and something that's specific for them. And so if you can do this, then this is how marketing is. It's just coming off from a unique selling perspective and having benefits on top of that of how you can solve their problem. So, but I noticed with a lot of marketers, for example, a lot of people will say, I have this new system or new software, and it would be like the five simple software that we call it the gear software or something like that. But we all know what it is. Everybody knows it's the same thing. Everybody knows it's going to be the same steps. Like, you can say something that's unique to your offer, but you don't sound unique. You can say something that sounds unique, like something that will sound intriguing, but it don't sound intriguing because everybody does the same thing and everybody knows it's the same thing, and you just sound like it's just the same thing. So you need to understand that people can feel what you're selling. People can feel what you're saying, and that's where your sales come in. Your salesmanship comes in. You got to have the tone and the intention of when you're speaking to somebody to get them into your offer. You got to have the tone of really giving compassion and really giving gratitude, and really being patient, and using those to the simplicity leverage with simplicity of how to get them in. These are the three steps you need. This is what we can do for you with your tone and tonality, and having patience, not forcing it on them, just knowing that they'll come, just knowing that you can solve their problem, and that you'll solve their problem, because that's what it's all about, is getting them from point A to point B. But that's all I want to talk to you guys about, is about getting people into your offer, because you got to have a unique selling position. You got to come out there with compassion and patience and be simple. knowing that it's done, and knowing that what you do and what you say to people, to your offer, it got to be compelling and unique. But you got to own your uniqueness, and you got to believe in what you're selling. You got to believe that it's something that can change their life and pin their pain points. You got to go to them and say, are you tired of just being tired? Are you tired of being tired? Are you tired of trying to overcome things? Are you trying to live a certain lifestyle and it's just nothing's working out? You got to really get to them and really get to the point, their pain point of like every day they're waking up and they're trying to make a change but nothing's changing, or every day they're trying to do something but they don't get no results. You got to get those pain points, because if you get the results, if you pinpoint their results, and they're not necessarily the mistakes, but maybe there's just common errors, or they try something different, they just keep making mistakes. You just keep pinpointing that, and then at the end, you keep just throwing benefits, benefits. This you get this, so we can make sure that you will never ever go through that same obstacle again. We'll make sure you overcome that obstacle and make sure the mountain is moved. You're basically being their hero. And as a coaching consultant, you got to be the hero, because you're the one that's going to give them the offer. And then for a product, then you use the product as a hero, and you're selling yourself as Robin, that the product is what got you the results. So with a lot of people that have agencies, they try to say we have this software or we have these services, and they say, so when you have a software as a service or services, then you use those services as your hero, because you're not the ones that do it. You're not the ones that do it other than making it happen. But it's the software and it's the services that does it. So, but if you're in coaching and consulting, then you're the ones that are holding them accountable. Then you're selling yourself as the one that is the hero, as the one that can get you from point A to point B. But that's what I want to talk to you guys today about. I hope you guys have a great Wednesday. It's a new day. It's a new opportunity. Every day is a new day. Every day you gotta wake up knowing that it's already successful. So I just want to say this. Every day I am thankful and grateful and inspired that I make 10K every day doing exactly what I love. Every day I'm becoming more and more inspired and grateful, creating massive breakthroughs and inspiring people to get massive results and changing lives. As long as you say this over to yourself at least 5 times a day, in the morning and in the evening, you say this to yourself on a consistent basis, then you will see what will happen. You will see the results of what you do by your own belief, by your own matter, by you taking true responsibility, you being the anchor of your life, and you making life a reality. But I hope you guys got a lot of value from this video. Stay tuned. There's a lot coming soon. Peace.